As you can tell by the title, we're gonna drive old tractors to school. This was my Grandpa Yaki's. It's our 560. I'm gonna be driving this, while my friend, he's gonna be driving this H, and I drove the A last year, so figured I better take the 560 ones. And then my other friend's coming with the tractor, and then we're gonna meet up with my other friend with the tractor, and then there's 2 other people gonna drive too, so I think there's gonna be a total of 6. I'm not sure if you've seen it or not, but it did have a little backfire. I'm not sure if I should be concerned about that, but I think it's done it a few other times and it's running good now. I've been running it down the road a lot, or around the section actually, just getting ready for old tractor day, making sure everything works good.
Morning.
Tower, got the old 560, got an H. Got the compact over here, you know, gotta have one of those. 856. $40.20. Gotta have one of these too, you know. Gotta have some modern up in here. Looks pretty good. But yeah, we made it to the water tower. We are waiting for our one friend with a Farmall H, so you'll see some of his tractor too. So we'll have to go to school now. Well, we're having a little bit of tractor trouble with Caleb's tractor, his H. We stayed with Caleb, so others went to school, but we're figuring this out. And I think we're gonna leave it at this church here, so we're using the parking lot right now. But everything else is going okay so far.
It sounds like a dumb question. We gotta start from the
Yep. Caleb did not make it, but we got 7 here right now, so that's all that matters. And it's a pretty nice day, but I'll get more footage of bringing them home and stuff too. Well, I picked a bad day for tractor day. It's raining out here, but it'll buff. Well, we're getting everything back together after that really cold ride, but it wasn't the worst thing in the world. But it's done and over now. Should have picked a better day, I guess, but it's whatever. Oh, look, about right there. That's it. muffler got wet, of course, and it started peeling. I bought it like this with the paint on, but it's probably just, you know, I don't know what to say, but. And then I got this. This is all dirty now. Got a little bit of cleaning I gotta do tomorrow. Or tonight, I guess. Maybe clean it up tonight. The seat. But, yeah. Well, old tractor day didn't go the greatest, but could have went way worse. We had a good time. Some broken down tractors, some not great running tractors. We got rain. We had mud, but guess we're glad we were able to do it before school ends and until summer break. But I wanted to thank you for watching, and I'm sorry that I didn't get the greatest clips. It was just harder today to get them, but next video we'll get some better clips of what we're all doing. But thank you again for watching. Go follow the TikTok. We got like 10,000 followers on there. Instagram, Certified Farmers. We got 100 followers, so not too many, but hey, that's okay. But on the TikTok, it's Yaki Farms. If you got TikTok, go follow. And YouTube, we're close to, or we're at 2.5K subscribers, so I'm hoping to maybe make that 5K at the end of the year. Who knows though? But like I said, I want to thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day. See you later.